Before we get into the video, here is an overview of ChatGPT, if you don't know about it already. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language generation model developed by OpenAI. It was trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts, such as answering questions, writing stories, and summarizing articles. ChatGPT is designed to be flexible, fast, and highly accurate, making it well-suited for a variety of applications, including conversational AI, content creation, and data analysis. The model is based on the transformer architecture, which allows it to understand and generate language in context, making it a powerful tool for businesses, researchers, and developers looking to leverage AI. In today's world, ChatGPT is being used by a number of industries like customer service. ChatGPT can be integrated into customer service chatbots to provide fast and accurate answers to customer inquiries, freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. Content generation. ChatGPT can generate articles, summaries, and other written content with high accuracy, making it a valuable tool for content creators, journalists, and marketers. Data analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze and interpret large amounts of data, such as financial reports or customer feedback, and provide insights and summaries in natural language. These are just a few examples of the many ways in which ChatGPT can be used in various industries. As AI technology continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, it's likely that new use cases for ChatGPT will emerge in the years to come. It's important to note that while AI technology, including ChatGPT, has the potential to automate certain tasks, it can also create new opportunities and jobs. For example, workers may need to be trained in new skills to work with ChatGPT and other AI systems, or may need to take on more complex tasks that can't be automated. Additionally, there will likely continue to be a strong demand for workers with expertise in developing and integrating AI systems, such as ChatGPT, into the integration of these AI platforms also has caused some difficulties for those looking for a job or already have a job. For example, job automation. As ChatGPT becomes more advanced, it may automate certain tasks that were previously performed by human workers, potentially leading to job losses and unemployment. Skills mismatch. Workers who were trained in certain tasks that can now be performed by ChatGPT may find it difficult to transition to new jobs that require different skills. In conclusion, for me, ChatGPT has helped a lot because this video that you guys are watching right now is also partially made with the power of ChatGPT.
Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to help save the universe from AI.